Hey everyone, today we are going to learn how to change currency on eBay app. Open your eBay app, make sure you're logged into your eBay app. There at the bottom you can see the option of My eBay. Scroll down, then search for setting option, then click on it. Over there, search for general section. You can see the option of country or region over there. Tap on it. There you can see the option of auto detect. Turn it off. And then over there at the bottom again you can see the option of country or region. Tap on it. There tap on, then choose your country which you want to then tap on any country which currency you want, and then your currency will be changed. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.